Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will explain you about Upsert Data with Data Loader. So let's jump to the topic and discuss about how to upsert data with Data Loader in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So let's move ahead. So for upserting the data with data loader, firstly we go to the data loader. So click on the start menu and enter the data loader in the search box and click on the data loader 59.0.0. After clicking on the data loader, our Salesforce data loader for 59.0.0 is open. And here we can upsert our data. So click on the upsert button and firstly, we'll log into our data loader. So click on the password authentication and enter the password. After entering the password, click on the login button. And here, this verifying our Salesforce username and password. And here we can see the error comes up. Check your username and password if you still cannot log in. But our username and password is correct. When we try to log in into the Salesforce from some external source, the username and password are not sufficient. We also need a third thing, which is called a security token. From where we get the security token? So for this, we go to the Salesforce org. So go to our Salesforce org. Here is the Salesforce Lightning org. Click on the profile picture and under this profile picture, we can see there is a user setting present. Click on this setting and our user setting is open. And under this, we can see there is a reset my security token option present. Click on this option for resetting the security token. And our reset my security token page is open. And under this page, we can see there is a reset security token button is present. So click on this button and here we go. We see we send a new security token for to the email address for your account this. So go to your Gmail account and here the Salesforce email comes up. Click on this email and here we go. We can see a security token is comes up. Click on that. Copy this security token and paste the security token after the password and then again click on the login button. And here, this verify the Salesforce username and password again. Here we successfully log in into our data loader. So we come to our next step that is select data object. And here we are selecting the contact object. And then before browsing the data, firstly we update our Excel file. So go to your Excel file and we want to enter some more records inside this file. So we enter the records and then go back to our data loader page. Now we want to choose the CSV file. So we click on the browse option and here we comes to our file manager and here we go to our desktop and here is a success upsert file present. Click on this file and click on open button and here we go. Our success upsert link file is present under the choose CSV file folder and then click on the next button. And here the initializing Salesforce object and CSV file and here we go. Our initialization succeed. The CSV file has a 10 rows, batch size 200, starter row 0, current API uses for the org 20, and API limit for the org 15,000, and API version is 59.0. Then click on the OK button. And here we come up to our next step that is choose your field to use for matching. So here we select the fields for matching on contact. To match on contact, use either the ID field or an external field. This email is our external ID field and this is the ID field. So here we choose the email field and then click on the next button. Now, our next step is to choose your related objects. Now, in this, I do not want to select anything. So, we move forward and click on the next button. Now, Here we mapping our fields. So we click on the choose an existing map, and here we go. We can select our file, that is this mapping, and then hit the open button, and here map this field, and then we click on the create or edit button. Now we click on the auto map field to column, select the auto map field, and then click on the OK button. Now we come back to our current field mapping page, and here we can see our CSV column header fields and the Salesforce object field name are mapped successfully, and then we click on the next button. And here we go. We comes up to our next step, that is the finish step. And here we select the folder. We can see our link of the desktop is already present under the folder field, but we want to select the look another location, so we click on the browse option, and here we can see our file manager is open. So select the folder in which you want to save your fields. So we select the desktop folder and hit the select folder option, and here we can see our desktop link is present under the folder field, and then we click on the finish button. A warning messages pop up. You have chosen to add new records and to update existing records. The action you are about to take cannot be undone. Are you sure you want to proceed? If you want to proceed, then click on the yes button. Otherwise, click on the no button if you not want to proceed. But we want to proceed, so that's why we click on the OK button. And here the process information loading upsert. The process 10 of the 10 total records in 3 seconds. There are 10 successes and 0 errors. Rate 12,000 records per hour. Estimated time to complete 0 minute and 0 seconds. And after loading the upsert, the pop-up message operation finished generated. The operation has successfully completed. There were 10 successful upsert and 0 errors. If you want to view the successes, then click on the success button, and here we go. We can see there is a 10 success message is present under the CSV file. Click close, and then if you want to view the error, then click on the view error. There is a no error present inside the CSV file, so there is a no error. And then we want to click on the OK button because our operation is successfully completed, so click on the OK. Now we go to our Salesforce org. Now we come back to our Salesforce org, click on the app launcher, and enter the sales in the search box, and click on the sales option. And here we go, our sales page is open, and under this page we can see there is a contacts or tabs present. Click on the contact tab, and our contact record page is open. Then there is a recently viewed drop down arrow is shown. Click on this drop down arrow and select the all contacts option, and our all records are present here. So we scroll to the bottom and search the record that we are upserted here. Where is the upserted record? And here we go. We can see Jervin Herman, Jessica Jones. This is the upserted record that we are upserted. Jared West, Javier Herman, Jessica Jones. These are the upserted records. You can see. So with this, we have come to the end of the video session. We will see you in the next one.